Hi everybody, today I am going to be focusing on one of my favorite topics, eco-friendly home decor and sustainable living tips. Let's first understand what's sustainable living. Well, it refers to a lifestyle that minimizes one's impact on the environment and promotes sustainable practices to ensure the long-term health and well-being of the planet. In this video, I am going to share with you some of my favorite tips and tricks to help you decorate your home in an eco-friendly way and live more sustainably. Also, a part of this video is sponsored by BetterHelp. Now let's begin. One of the best ways to decorate your home in an eco-friendly way is to use sustainable materials. When shopping for new decor, choose materials that are sustainable and eco-friendly. Look for products made from recycled or natural materials such as bamboo, rattan, cane, reclaimed wood or cork. These materials are not only better for the environment but also add a unique touch to your home. In my home, I have several eco-friendly decor accessories like this DIY bamboo basket lamp. I DIY'd it 5 years ago when I did the makeover of this wall. Bamboo is fast-growing and highly sustainable material, making it a great option for furniture, flooring and decor. These beautiful multi-purpose grass baskets from Assam are another example of sustainable material. Next, I have this cane swing that I absolutely adore. It's more than 30 years old and always brings back so many lovely memories of my childhood. Then we have this beautiful teak wood sofa that's been in our family for years. First, it was with my parents-in-law for 22 years and now with us for more than a decade. Teak is highly desirable material and it's sustainable too if it's sourced legally from teak plantation. Now the next thing that should be eco-friendly in your home is rug. Traditional rugs are often made from synthetic materials such as nylon, polyester and polypropylene, which are derived from non-renewable resources and can emit harmful volatile organic compounds into the air. Eco-friendly rugs, on the other hand, are made from natural, sustainable and biodegradable materials that have a lower environmental impact and are safer for your home. Eco-friendly rugs include natural fiber rugs made from jute, sisal, seagrass and bamboo. Recycled rugs that are made from recycled materials such as plastic bottles, discarded textiles and rubber tires. And chindi rugs fall in the same category and they are quite trendy too. Wool rugs are made from renewable wool, which is biodegradable, hypoallergenic and naturally flame resistant. Organic cotton rugs are made from cotton, which is a sustainable and non-toxic option. Vintage or antique rugs are existing rugs that have been repurposed or upcycled, which reduces waste and environmental impact. While taking care of environment and your home, it is so important to take care of yourself physically and mentally. This can include getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, practicing stress-reducing activities like yoga or meditation, and seeking support from friends, family, or mental health professionals when needed. You can get help online too with the sponsor of today's video, BetterHelp. BetterHelp is the world's largest online therapy platform. If you think you need help, then just register yourself on BetterHelp and fill up a questionnaire. You can chat, video call, or phone call your therapist without leaving the comfort of your home anytime. Also, at any point, if you feel that your therapist isn't the right fit, you can switch to a new therapist and you don't have to pay a penny for that. Sounds good? You can use my link, which is this, to get 10% off your first month of therapy with BetterHelp, and you can find the link in the description as well. Now let's move on to the next tip. Upcycling and repurposing items is another great way to decorate your home in an eco-friendly way. Try not to change the stuff for the sake of trends. Instead of throwing away old furniture or decor, try giving it a fresh coat of paint. You will save money and reduce waste. For example, you could turn old glass bottles into vases, or you could use old furniture legs to create beautiful candle stands. Or turn cardboard boxes into beautiful artifacts. In my home, most of the furniture, appliances, decor items are quite old. Some of them are even older than me, by the way. Reusing and repurposing not only is eco-friendly, but it's also a fun and creative way to decorate your home. Another way to make your home more eco-friendly is to choose energy-efficient appliances. These appliances use less energy, which not only helps the environment, but also saves you money on your energy bills. When shopping for appliances, look for those with an Energy Star ratings. 4-star and above is always a good option. Use LED bulbs instead of filament bulbs, which consume more energy. You can also install a solar-powered lighting system in your home, which is not only eco-friendly but also helps you save money in the long run. Unplug appliances when not in use. Many appliances continue to use energy even when they are not in use. Instead of using a dryer, hang your clothes outside to dry on a clothesline. This can save energy and money and can also be better for your clothes. When using your dishwasher or washing machine, make sure to run full loads to maximize their efficiency. Keeping your appliances clean and maintained can help them run more efficiently and last longer. When cleaning your appliances, use natural, non-toxic cleaning products instead of harsh chemicals that can harm the environment, like a solution of equal parts of water, vinegar, and a few drops of essential oil. That's what I use and I can vouch for it. Incorporate plants. Plants not only add a touch of nature to your home, but also help to purify the air. Incorporating plants in your home is an easy way to make your home more eco-friendly. Choose low-maintenance plants such as succulents or indoor plants, which are easy to care for and require less water. For more information on indoor plants, you can watch my previous videos. You can find the link in the description box. And there you have it. My top 4 tips for eco-friendly home decor and sustainable living. By incorporating these tips into your home decor, you'll not only be helping the environment but also creating a beautiful and unique living space. That's all for today, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine. Bye-bye.